Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the iterative calculation feature on your Google Docs spreadsheet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, and then you want to go down and select Settings. Now you want to select the Calculation tab at the top, and then where it says iterative calculation, click the drop down and select on or off, and then you would select save settings to confirm, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.